Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to everyone. I am honored to be here today to celebrate India's 76th Independence Day. This is a day to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and to recommit ourselves to the values of liberty, equality and justice. It is also a day to look to the future. India is young and dynamic country with a bright future. We have the potential to achieve great things, but we can only do so if we work together. We need to build a more inclusive society where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. We need to invest in education and healthcare so that everyone can reach their full potential. I believe that India can achieve all of these things. Where we have the talent, the resources and the determination, but we can only do so if we work together. We have to need for the future. On this Independence Day, let us recommit to the values. Let us recommit to the values that make India great. So, let us work together to build a better future for our country. Thank you very much indeed for your cooperation and have a wonderful